Hi everybody, I want to show you a real case I had in the last project. I will show you how I examined the bug using developer tools and what conclusion thanks to that I had. This is a module where you can add your commodities. When I was testing on test environment, I added new commodity with some price. So let's add one. In the list, here, and in the preview, price I have added to that community don't appear. This bug was fixed, so let's assume for learning purposes each new commodity I create, the price do not appear here and here. Now I can report a bug, but I want to examine what's going on. So here HTTP knowledge is necessary. The first step is to reproduce that bug and see request and response. I open my developer tools. Let's delete this commodity. And now I'm going to create a new commodity. I save it and see what data was sent to the server. Here was used post method because I created a new resource. Now I'm going to check the body of that request. Here we see the name, commodity X, price gross, price net. If price doesn't appear here, probably frontend don't send to backend this value, so I know to what developer I can assign this ticket, but in my case, frontend was sending price to backend. Now I need to check what value comes from backend. Maybe backend don't send it to frontend. Now we have a price, but in my case, there was no price here. Price gross, price net have empty value. Backend has not sent the price to the frontend, therefore the price did not appear. I can assume that is the problem and assign backend developer to this ticket. I can add my conclusion to bug ticket. Also, it's good to add request URL, status code, method, CURL, and response body. First three we have here request URL, request method, and the status code. No time for CURL and response body. This is our request. And here we have copy as CURL, copy response. And you can paste that data into your bug ticket. This is not necessary in all cases, but sometimes it helps developers. Ask them what information from developers' tools will help them. But CURL is very useful. If possible, I try always attach it to bug report, because developer can paste it to the postman, he will send a request to this resource and see what is happening. Postman is a HTTP client. As a curiosity, I will show you a Postman and why CURL is useful for developers, but I will not explain how to use it. So I copy a CURL of that request. Here is a Postman. And as you see, here we have our request URL with the ID of that resource. Also, we have all the headers with the authorization token. And if we send a request, we can see the body, all the necessary information. So that's why the CURL is very helpful for the developers. Thanks for watching.